All right, I got a new acquisition last weekend. Unfortunately, my normal car was taken out by a drunk driver while it was parked, so I had to go car shopping. So this is my new to me 2006 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 crew cab, V6, manual transmission, and only 165,000 miles on it, so I'm pretty excited about the opportunities. I'll be doing a couple updates to him and document a few things. First thing is getting the kids in and out, as well as myself. So doing some running boards. So I picked up these Tyger, Tyger running boards off of Amazon. Did a couple dig throughs on some forums and was hearing positive results. So I think aesthetic wise, they're not rock sliders, but they're going to clean up the look of the truck a little bit and give me a little more function getting in and out. Installation looks like it should be pretty easy. Sounds like about 45 minutes to an hour. Helps to have a second set of hands, which unfortunately I do not have right now, but I'll see what I can make do and show things as it goes. Well, one thing I am going to observe right off the bat is actually the packaging is extremely well done. Very clean and just put together well. So it was designed for the shipping. Little extra supports down here at the bottom. I'm actually very impressed having this kind of quality of shipment for something coming from Amazon especially. I could have ordered it direct or maybe from another website, but Amazon was the quickest result that I needed. We're about to get started on this. Just got things kind of set out. I'm gonna prep the hardware. Did a good once over on the welds, and I'll be honest, I'm not a great welder, but there's some good boogers on here, or just less than ideal welds. I did find a small pocket in this weld right here, so I'll be doing a little cleanup, not really re-welding it, but just epoxy in there and just make sure that it is sealed so I don't get any water intrusion into the rails to corrode from the inside. But otherwise the coating looks good overall. It feels nice. The seam welds up on top here look really good and clean. Maybe a little goober here and there, but overall, you know, can't complain too much for what the price is on them. Got the running boards on, they look great. Definitely function well. I feel like the body's actually a little more rigid now. And wasn't planning on doing suspension, but now it makes it seem a little low. Not that he's gonna have any ground clearance issues, but now I'm contemplating suspension. But overall, aside from that little hole in the weld, everything looks great, fit great. Install was super easy, even by myself.